Click on the link below to get price. The B0DMJ383SL Viking commercial grade dehumidifier is a powerhouse designed for those who require efficient moisture control in large spaces. Weighing in at 90 pints per day, it caters primarily to commercial settings such as warehouses, basements, and construction sites where excess humidity can lead to structural damage, mold growth, and overall discomfort. One of the standout features of the B0DMJ383SL is its impressive extraction capacity. It works effectively in environments with high humidity levels, efficiently reducing moisture to create a healthier atmosphere. The dehumidifier operates quietly, making it suitable for both work and living areas, ensuring that your daily activities aren't disrupted by loud machinery. The unit comes with a user-friendly digital control panel that allows you to set desired humidity levels easily. Its built-in hygrometer continuously monitors humidity and adjusts operation accordingly, ensuring optimal performance without the need for constant manual intervention. Additionally, the B0DMJ383SL is equipped with a continuous drainage option, eliminating the hassle of emptying the water reservoir frequently, which is a significant advantage for commercial use. Durability is another strong point of the B0DMJ383SL. Built with robust materials, it is designed to withstand the rigors of everyday commercial use. The compact design and built-in wheels provide easy mobility, making it convenient to move from one location to another as needed. While the price point may be higher than consumer-grade dehumidifiers, the B0DMJ383SL justifies the investment through its efficiency, capacity, and reliability. It's an ideal choice for businesses aiming to maintain optimal humidity levels, protect their investments, and ensure the comfort of employees and customers alike. In summary, the B0DMJ383SL Viking commercial-grade dehumidifier is an excellent solution for environments where humidity control is crucial. Its performance, user-friendly features, and durability make it a worthwhile addition to any commercial operation, ensuring a dry and safe environment for all.